Hi guys, so today I'm going to be doing a tutorial slash like review type thing on the Colourpop times Kathleen Twinkling Lights collection. I'm pretty excited for this collection because the colors in this are super pretty, so let's just get right into it. Okay, so the first thing that I'm going to start off with is the Super Shock Shadow Foursome, and this is just what the packaging looks like. It's so cute and pretty. Now this collection is limited edition, so once it sells out, they won't be restocking it, which is sad because I think this collection is really nice. But yeah, this is like a little sleeve that comes off, and then that's what the little actual package for the Super Shock Shadows look like. That's what the back looks like. So this first one is called Glisten. That's what it looks like. I'll take the cap off in a second. That's what the back looks like. It's like really pretty. It's a satin formula. It's like a peachy pink type color. I'm not really sure how to describe it, but it's like really pretty. And then the next one is Light Up. This one is a ultra metallic. This one is really pretty as well. It's like a peachy, coppery, I don't know how to describe this shade, but it's really pretty. And the third shade is, I'm probably gonna say this wrong, it's Vela. I'm not sure how to say that, so if I'm saying it wrong, I'm sorry. That's what this one looks like. This is a ultra metallic as well, again. And then the last one, which I'm really excited for, is called Blitzen. It's like this coral red type shade. And this one is a ultra metallic as well. It's so pretty. I can't wait to play with these. So since there's not really like a matte, like light crease shade in the Super Shock Shadow Foursome, I'm just gonna go into the Dream Street palette and put some of the lighter browns in my crease, and then I will be back to play with the shadows. Okay, so I just used a mixture of Shooting Star and Magical, the first two lighter crease shades, and just put that in my crease. I think I want to just go straight into like the pretty red shade and put that like on like the outer part of my lid. Okay, so I'm gonna try and use a brush at first maybe, and then if that doesn't really work out, I will just use my my finger. The shade is really pretty though, and it seems to be working pretty well with this brush. Okay, so I just used the Blitzen shade, and I kind of like blew it out, or like drug it out, kind of like winged out almost. That shade is super pretty, and I did put it in my crease, and I know it's a metallic, but I still think it looks really pretty in the crease. So now I don't know what shade I want to use, because I want to try and use like all of them. I think I'm going to go into the shade Light Up, this shade, and I'm going to put that kind of on like the center of the lid. I'm just going to use my finger again. I'm going to kind of blend like where the reddish shade ends with this shade. Okay, well I just ended up putting that on the rest of my lid. Wow, this shade is so pretty. I don't know if you can tell on camera, but it's got like all sorts of different colored glitters. It's really pretty. Okay, so I don't really know if I'm gonna use the other two because I feel like Glisten would be too dark as like an inner corner highlight. Let's swatch it. Ooh, it's like really creamy and soft. Yeah, that'd be too dark for my skin tone as like an inner corner highlight, but it's really pretty. The other shade is Vela, or I don't know how to say that. This is Vela. Wow, that's really pretty. So yeah, I think just for today, I'm just gonna use the ones that I used, but I'm just going to use those same crease shades from the Dream Street palette on my lower lash line, and then I think I might smudge a little bit of Glisten on my lower lash line too. So okay, so now the eyes are done. I just smudged that Blitzen shade on my lower lash line and put some mascara and falsies on, and I really love these eyeshadows. I love the Blitzen shade, that like coral red, and this light up shade that's on my lids, the like really sparkly shade. It's so pretty. I don't know if you can tell, but it's got like lots of different colors, like glitters and all that. It's so pretty. Now there is a lip bundle in the collection, and it comes with 2 ultra glossy lips, 1 satin and 1 matte. So yeah, this is what the little packaging looks like. That's what the back looks like if you're curious. And this is also a sleeve too, like the eyeshadows. And then that's what the lips look like. I have to hold them because they'll fall out like that. But yeah, this is what the shades look like. And I am going to be swatching all of them on my lips, so I'm gonna start off with the ultra glossy lips because they're the easiest to remove. So this is what the packaging looks like on the tubes. I don't know if you can tell, but it says like Twinkling lights, and it's really pretty. I'm probably gonna say this name wrong, but I think it's étoile. It's like a French word, and I think that's how you say it. I'm not really sure. It's like a nude shimmery gloss. Oh wow, that's really pretty. And she did say that if you got the What's Your Sign lipstick from the Zodiac collection, if you put that on and then put this like in the center of that lipstick, it looks really pretty. This gloss is like super pigmented. Okay, so this is the shade Étoile. I'm probably still saying that wrong. But it's super pretty. I've never had a lip gloss like this opaque, because I mean it looks like, you know, like a metallic lipstick, but it's just a lip gloss. But this shade is really pretty. I hope I don't have any on my teeth. Okay, so this next gloss is called Nightlight, and you probably won't be able to tell on camera, but it's got like, it's like a bronzy gold with like pink and purple glitters. I don't know, it's like really on camera it's showing up like a really dark bronze, but wow, I don't know if you can see, probably not, but it's like a bronze with like pink and purple like violet glitters. Wow, this is so pretty. Okay, so this is what is this? Nightlight. This shade is so cool. I don't think you'll be able to see on camera all the like different colored glitters. It's so pretty. I have nothing like this in my collection, and I'm pretty excited to have it in my collection now. This is such a cool color. Okay, so the one that I just tried on, I don't know if you can tell, maybe not, but like once I wiped it off, all the little glitters kind of like are stuck to my lips now, but I mean, that's not really a big deal to me. So now I'm gonna try on the Ultra Matte in the shade Little Star. It's like this really pretty, it's like showing up really dark on camera for some reason, but it's like this burnt, I don't know, brown burgundy. I'm not really sure how to describe this, but I'm doing this one first because I'll probably end up wearing the red like with this look. So wow, this shade is so pretty. These are my type of colors. Okay, so this is Little Star. Sorry for the terrible lip swatch. I'm not very good at putting on lipstick, but this shade is so pretty. I love like these deep, dark, like burnt wine, like burgundy colors. These are like my favorite colors. I would wear this color like every single day. So yeah, this is Little Star, an ultra matte. This color is so pretty, and like with the first two, I don't really think it goes that well with the eyes. Maybe with like a more like brown, like bronzy eye. Okay, so now for the last one. My foundation is like starting to look really crappy around my lips because I wiped them off when I took the last lipstick off, so if my foundation looks crappy, I'm sorry. But so the last one is called Lucky Star, and it's the Ultra Satin. It's this really pretty, like just a classic red color. I'm really excited for this one. Wow. It's like the perfect red. Okay, so this is Lucky Star, a really pretty, just classic red. And since it's a ultra satin, it makes your lips almost look like they're velvet. It's like really, really pretty. And it makes your teeth white, so that's nice. But yeah, it's just a simple, classic, like Christmas red. So yeah, I'm just going to go fix my hair really quick and I'll be back. Okay, so that was everything in the new Kathleen Lights and Colourpop Twinkling Lights collection for the holidays. So yeah, this is how everything looks. I really love just the colors in this collection. I just think it's really pretty and perfect for the holidays. This is what the eyes look like. I love this red lipstick. I think it's so pretty and perfect for Christmas. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed me trying on most of everything in the collection besides like two of the eyeshadows. But if you want to see more like videos or tutorials using the like little quad thing, just let me know in the comments. I hope you guys enjoyed. Please like and subscribe, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.